Welcome to Cooking with Cultural Creations. Today we're making Homestyle Buttermilk Pancakes. Today we're only making half a batch of the pancakes, but the full recipe is in the link in the description. Alright y'all, so we're going to start off by adding our all-purpose flour into a large bowl, and then we're going to add baking soda, baking powder, salt, and sugar. You need all of that in these pancakes. Alright, and after you've added all of that, you want to give all your dry ingredients a good mix. And then we're going to go ahead and add in our melted butter. There we go. Add your melted butter right into the bowl. And also give that a good mix until your butter is well incorporated into your flour mixture. And then we're going to add 2 whole eggs. Put that right into your mixture and add your vanilla extract and also give it a mix. Every time you add an ingredient, you want to give your batter a good mix. So make sure that your eggs and your vanilla are well incorporated, and then we're going to go ahead and add our buttermilk. Y'all, the buttermilk is the secret to this recipe, and make sure pancakes super moist and fluffy. You don't want to skip the buttermilk. So once again, mix until it's fully incorporated, and then we're also going to add whole milk. You need the balance of both the buttermilk and the whole milk. What I like to do is add the whole milk a little bit at a time. Add a little, mix a little, add a little, mix a little, and that way you can gauge whether or not your batter is too thick and add enough for you. Some of us like thick pancakes, some of us like them a little thin. So just do what works best for you. Alright, adding a little bit more milk. Y'all can see it's still a little bit thick, but once we go ahead and add that last bit of milk, it's perfect. And the little specks of butter that are in the batter, don't worry about it. They're going to come out as you cook your pancakes. Add your oil in your pan and move it all around so you make sure that it's coating the bottom of the pan fully. I love to use a cast iron. I think it makes your pancakes come out perfectly. I like to add about 1/3 cup or 1/2 cup of the mixture at a time. So of course, once your pancakes are nice and bubbly, you want to go ahead and flip them on the other side, and once they're brown, you can go ahead and remove them from the pan. So when your pancakes are done, go ahead and slather them with plenty of syrup. Y'all, a half batch of this recipe makes about 8 pancakes. A full batch makes about 16 pancakes, so perfect for you all with large families. As always, we hope that you enjoyed this recipe. Before you leave, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.